thank you binding for another beautiful figure. So this is Miu Akagiri. I got her off of the native store online for 33,000 yen, and she is easily my favorite bunny figure out of all of these thus far. The reason why she is my favorite bunny figure is because I feel like Binding really outdid themselves, from the design to the sculpting with the paint job. So the design overall is really nice. I love her pose. I love that her base is a desk instead of just a basic circle that the majority of bunny figures come in. And I really like the design because she's not just in some regular standing pose. She's like in the middle of changing her outfit, I guess. And she is cast off, but of course, like every other cast off figure, I cannot show her because of YouTube. I really love the sculpting on her shirt, how it's still on her, but you can tell that they spent a lot of time in the creases and the folds on the shirt. It's not removable, but just overall the paint job on it and the sculpting is just really nice. It looks really good and I love it a lot. Her skirt, however, I didn't know how I felt about it in the beginning, but after putting her all together, I really like it. Overall, it makes the figure come all together, because displaying her without it just makes her look off. Like, it's just like something's missing, especially the way her hand is positioned. Yeah, it just looks awkward without posing her or putting her up with her skirt. The design of the skirt, the design of the skirt, I was iffy about it. It looks kind of weird whenever I took it out of the package, but seeing it on her after putting her together, like I said, I really like it. I would recommend displaying her with it, because like I said, without it, she just looks off. I really love the paint job on her bunny suit. It's not just a generic bunny suit that is a solid color like the majority of bunny figures. It has a gradient on it going from yellow to red, and it's also in her ears, or bunny ears, which is really nice. Really like it. Good job binding. And of course her stockings, or her thigh highs, her fishnets. They're fishnets. They don't go all the way up into the bunny suit. They stop, well, they're basically thigh high fishnets, which is nice. I really like that as well. Her hair sculpting was done really nicely. I don't think it's the best hair sculpting, but it's not too terrible. It reminds me kind of like of a freeing hair sculpting, but slightly better. So yeah, it is what it is. It's not bad, but it's not great either. But it's nice. The shading on it, the individual strands, just not many, but looking at it now, yeah, there's enough details there for me to like it overall. Doesn't make the figure look bad. I wish it was a little bit better, but it is what it is. I really like how her base isn't just a basic circle like the majority of the bunny figures that we have nowadays. It's a desk, which is really unique. However, you don't need to display her with the desk. You can essentially just put her on any flat surface like you would a noodle stopper, or just any figure that doesn't come with a base. It's really nice. That's how I'm currently displaying her, as you can see from the picture before I throw it up again. But the only issue I have with the figure itself is her heel that isn't attached to her. It comes off very easily, and I understand that the whole point of it is to hang off of her toe, but yeah, it just comes off really easily with just a slight movement, slight shake of something. Yeah, it just comes off, and felt like this was a really missed opportunity to put magnets in the figure. While she does have a magnet already, it connects the lower part of her bunny suit. I can't show you guys because, not safe for work. But yeah, there is already a magnet that connects the bottom half of her bunny suit to her body. And I wish that they would have implemented a magnet into the heel and her toe so that it just doesn't come off so easily and so that it actually stays on, which it would make it sturdier. But yeah, the way it is right now, I'm not a fan of it. But overall, I had her displayed for a month and it hasn't come off but like one time, and that was because I was opening my detolf oven. But let me repeat that. And that was because I was opening my detolf and yet that shoe came off. But yeah, I really wish that they implemented a magnet into the heel and her toe so that it would actually stay on and you wouldn't have to worry about it falling off. Overall, I really liked this figure. Like I said, it is my favorite in my collection as of right now, and I'm looking forward to more binding figures in the future. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, comment, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Click this video over here or here. I think it's on this side. So yeah, I'll see you guys there, and peace out.